You guys, I did it again. I bought shoes. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Alright you guys, today I will be doing another shoe haul video because I needed another pair of shoes. Although I still have room for more shoes in my closet because I've been getting rid of some and I'm going to get rid of more. So I'm going to be doing probably a major shoe purge yet again because I need room for new shoes. These shoes, you guys, are just so cool and I've had them on my wish list for forever and I just was waiting for a good opportunity for them to go on sale, and they did. They are from Dolls Kill, and Dolls Kill was having a major online sample sale, and these shoes were 50% off, so I only paid, I believe it was $39 plus shipping and tax. So it came out to be about $48, something like that, which is not too bad for platform shoes. Yeah, let's just open them right now because I can't wait. And I've already looked at them, so I'm sorry. I couldn't wait. And they're from Club X. Of course, it has the pretty holographic paper. Shoe covers. You guys, aren't these awesome? These remind me so much of Lisa Frank. These are giving me 2000s vibes for sure. So these are called the, let's see, Love Your Energy platform slides. And I have never bought any platform slides that didn't have a back to them. I wasn't sure if I wanted to buy them or not because they didn't have a back, and that was my only hang up on these, but I'm really glad I did because as far as I can tell, I think they're gonna be okay. I'm gonna try them on again and walk around and give you guys an honest review if you are concerned about that as well, because platforms, you know, you want to have some kind of support when you're walking around in them and you don't just want them hardly on your feet. These do look a little bit wider than I thought they were gonna be. I don't think it's gonna be an issue, but I just have very slim, long feet. So yeah, I don't know, we'll have to see. But these are just so great for summer. They have dolphins on the front and it's actually 3D. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera. Really cool. And they have a blue holographic color all around. And the bottoms, they're not, they don't have really thick treads, but there is some. So hopefully it will be enough. I believe these heels are about 4 inches, maybe 4.5, something like that. I can't remember. So not super tall. Let me get the other one out for you guys. Make sure it looks the same. Everything looks good. And I did get these in a size 9. My shoe size differs. I can wear a kid's 5. I can wear an 8, 8.5, 9. I wear 10 in cowgirl boots. So my size is all over the place, honestly. But I would say that these are true to size. Club X shoes usually are true to size. All right, so let me go ahead and try these on so you guys can see what they look like on. Alright you guys, here is my honest review. Love these shoes. However, there are some things I do want to talk about with these shoes because there's a couple things that I'm not crazy about. This part right here, really this whole part right here, the front of the shoe, it's kind of painful when I walk. And I don't know if it's just because I need to break them in a little more. I'm hoping that's what it is. But it is a little hard right here. and it's not like cushiony or anything. So that was kind of a negative thing about them. The other thing is I'm not sure like how these are gonna do just like walking around. I wouldn't really recommend them if you have like an event to go to or something. I'll probably just wear these to church because that's why I wear all my platform shoes. So I think it would be okay for something like that if you're not going to be doing a lot of walking. But if you're like going to a festival or a concert or, you know, something where you have to do a lot of walking, I would not recommend them for that. They just don't really seem like they would be very secure, and I was kind of afraid of that. However, if it is your hang up, don't let it be the reason why you don't get them, because I still think they're a great shoe, and I do think that it's something that you can adjust to while you're walking. I don't think like this would just slide off my foot or anything. I think it's like deep enough to where your foot would stay in it. The only thing that really bothers me is how uncomfortable this is right here. It's so hard on my foot, and like I said, I hope it's just because, you know, I haven't broken them in yet. So those are my only complaints. Other than that, they are super cool shoes and I love them. I'm so glad I got them. The sole is also very cushiony, so that's really nice too. And the heel is a really great height. I like that. I think it is the perfect height for these. You know, and I don't think, as far as it being too wide, I don't think it's going to be too wide for my foot. I was a little concerned. I kind of do wish it was more of a tighter fit, but it's not anything that would keep me from wearing them. So that is my honest review of these shoes. I will link them below in the description box where you can get these. I don't think they're on sale as of now when I'm filming this video. Hopefully they will go on sale again soon. And this video is going to be uploaded weeks later after I film, so I have no idea if they're even going to be available or if they're going to be the same price. But as of now, they have every size available and it is full price, so maybe try to get like a discount, you know, coupon or something you could use. And they do sales all the time, so you might be able to hold out for one of those. But that is my Lisa Frank dolphin shoe review. I love them. I love dolphins. I love sea creatures and the ocean, just all of it. So these were a must-have for my wardrobe. I have a lot of like mermaid outfits that I can wear with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this shoe unboxing. Don't forget to like it. Let me know, would you wear these shoes? Do you like them? Do you think they're cool? Comment whatever you want to. I love when you guys talk to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.